special intensive revision, and today onwards we are starting the SAR in South Goa district. Today the BLOs will be going to the households and they will be distributing the enumeration form in all the households where the voters have registered. Now with SAR what we are planning to do is a comprehensive time-bound house-to-house verification wherein people will be getting an enumeration form with pre-filled information such as the name, their voter ID number, photograph and all. What the voters are supposed to do is fill the information, some additional information such as the date of birth, their contact number, the information of their information from the last SAR. In case if they have not participated in the previous SAR, then their relatives or parents information from the last SAR. This information have to be filled in the enumeration form. It will not take more than 5 minutes. So after filling, they can give the form back to the BLO. During this enumeration period, there is no requirement to submit any documents.
Yeah, ma'am, why this activity is so important? What difference does it make?
So why we are conducting SAR? So that's a very important question. So SAR is conducted to purify the voter roll. In case if a eligible voter is not included in the voter, he will get the opportunity to add himself into the voter roll now. Similarly, in case if an ineligible person's name is existing in the voter ID now or voter roll now, we will be removing or we will be deleting his voter number and other details from the voter roll. So this is an exercise to purify the roll. Now every year we do addition, deletion or revisions, but then this time what we are doing is a comprehensive exercise wherein BLOs will be visiting every household and they will be checking the purity of the roll.
मैडम बहुत सारे लोग गोवा के बाहर है, यूके वैसे, तो उनके घर में कोई रहता नहीं, तो उनका क्या होगा मैडम?
So we are expecting or we have given instruction to the BLOs to visit every house at least 3 times. Now enumeration form can be filled by the people who are not there in Goa also, they can access it online. And similarly relatives and other people can also fill the form and submit it.
ये ड्राइव कब तक चलेगा?
It is for 1 month. Enumeration form filling and submission is for 1 month. After that draft roll will be published and after that objections will be heard.
There have been these things, speculations and certain allegations that there are some of the voters who are outsiders and they vote in their village area, native places as well as in Goa. So how government is seeing at this problem, you know?
So this exercise is done using technology. So if somebody's name is there in the voter ID now, we are asking them to give what happened? So we are asking them to give the details from the previous SAR. So we will be mapping how did that entry come in the current roll. Now, so basically with that exercise we will be able to remove the duplicates and other thing. And also we are asking for other information if they are willing to provide. So that is also an added layer of security.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.